Good morning, class third. I hope you are good at home. So be safe and stay at home. Don't go outside. So today we will continue with question and answer. I have given you 3 exercises yesterday, and today I will give you D exercise in which answer the following questions you have to do. And last question is reference to context. So first question is why did Roshan visit Samarpur during the summer holiday? जो रोशन था वो क्यों गया था समरपुर जो राजस्थान में है वहाँ क्यों गया था? So Roshan visited Samarpur. Why did he visit? Because to meet his uncle, aunt and cousin. So you have to write Roshan visited Samarpur to meet his uncle, aunt and cousin. So answer number 1, this is the D part. Roshan visited Samarpur because, the question is, why did Roshan visit Samarpur during the summer holidays? So Roshan visited Samarpur to meet his uncle, aunt and cousin. Then answer number 2. तो जो रोशन है वो क्यों गया था? रोशन समरपुर गया था, विजिट किया था उसने इसलिए क्योंकि टू मीट हिज अंकल, उसके अंकल, आंट और कजिन जो थे वो वहाँ रहते थे, इसीलिए उसने विजिट किया था समरपुर. So why did Roshan visit Samarpur during the summer holidays? So Roshan visited Samarpur to meet his uncle, aunt and cousin. Yes. Or you can add in this during the summer holiday. During the summer holiday. The next question is, why were the people of Samarpur unable to use the wells in their village? जो समरपुर के लोग थे वो क्यों वेल्स जो उनके गांव में कुएं थे उनका यूज नहीं कर पा रहे थे? क्यों नहीं उनका यूज कर पा रहे थे? तो यू हैव टू गिव द रीजंस व्हाई वर द पीपल ऑफ समरपुर अनेबल टू यूज द वेल्स इन देयर विलेज. तो आपको इसका रीजन बताना है. तो द वेल्स इन समरपुर हैड ड्राइड अप. तो क्यों नहीं यूज कर पा रहे थे? जानबूझ के तो नहीं यूज कर रहे थे. So you have to write the wells in Samarpur had dried up. The wells in Samarpur had dried up. So the people could not use them. Or unable to use them. Could not use them. If you want to write in another way, you can write unable to use them. So next one is mention two simple ways in which Sadiq tried to save water. आपको सिंपल वेज बतानी है जिसमें सादिक ने पानी को बचाने के बारे में बताया. So what Sadiq said, we should use a bucket for bathing. You can write these 2 points from here. Sadiq tried to save water by using. Sadiq Sadiq tried to save water by using bucket for bathing, and another way is, what another point he said, we should turn off the taps tightly after use. Or there are so many points he had given, so we can write and ensured that all taps were and ensured that all taps are tightly closed. Tightly closed or shut. Tightly shut. Closed. So next question is, or you can write some other points also, because Sadiq had given many points, 6 points he had given, so you can write any two of them. So I have given only 2 points by using a bucket, for bathing, and ensure that all taps are tightly closed. You can write here using a bucket for bathing and ensure that all taps are tightly closed. So this is the answer of your question number 3rd. Now, what did Sadiq read about in the newspapers that gave him some hope? सादिक ने न्यूज़पेपर में क्या पढ़ा था जिससे उसे थोड़ी सी उसके अंदर क्या जगी, उसके अंदर क्या हुई, थोड़ी सी आशा जगी, होप जगी. ठीक है, तो उसने न्यूज़पेपर में क्या पढ़ा था, रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग के बारे में. जो रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग है वो आजकल क्या कर रही है, जो गवर्नमेंट है वो भी उन लोगों की हेल्प कर रही है जो ये काम करना चाह रहे हैं. तो ये उसने पढ़ा था न्यूज़पेपर में. सो व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू राइट, सादिक रीड अबाउट. now I'm going to rub this. Write down. Sadiq read about Sadiq read about water harvesting. Sadiq read about water harvesting in the newspaper. So this is the answer. 4 newspapers that gave him some hope. That gave him some hope. So this is the answer of your question number 4. And then answer number 5 आपका है reference to context. So first of all I want to tell you what are context. Context जो होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं, क्या होता है रेफरेंस टू कॉन्टेक्स्ट. रेफरेंस टू कॉन्टेक्स्ट होता है आपका जो चैप्टर होता है उसी में से कुछ लाइंस आपको दी जाती हैं और आपको बताना है कि वो लाइंस कहाँ से, किसने बोली है, किसको बोली है और उसका मतलब क्या है. तो उनको बोला जाता है रेफरेंस टू कॉन्टेक्स्ट. So there is one context given in your textbook on page number 39. We should water the plants before 9 a.m. and after 7 p.m. So किसने कही थी? Who said these words? So who said these words? Nisha said these words. Who said these words? Nisha said these words. Who said these words? किसने कही थी ये लाइनें कि we have to give water before 9 a.m. and after 7 p.m. So who said these words? Nisha said these words. Then B part is, where were the words spoken? ये जो words थे वो कहाँ बोले गए थे? तो where were the words spoken? Uh, they, the words were spoken in the class. The words were spoken in the class. In the class. Now next one is C part. C part is, why did the speaker water the plants at the mentioned time? कि जो स्पीकर है जो मेंशन टाइम दिया गया है बिफोर 9 AM एंड आफ्टर 7 PM वो क्यों दिया गया है? ठीक है, वो क्यों प्लांट्स में पानी इस मेंशन टाइम पे देता था? तो रीजन क्या है कि हमें पानी जो है वो 9 AM से पहले और 7 PM के बाद देना चाहिए. तो इससे क्या होता है? वाटरिंग प्लांट्स अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग आफ्टर सनसेट, so they stayed. So the speaker watered the plants at the mentioned time because the speaker watered the plants at the mentioned time because mentioned time पे at the mentioned time because they stayed wet longer. Because they stayed wet longer. Because they stayed wet longer and thus water was saved. So these are the answers of your chapter number 3, and this chapter is over. So if you want to take screenshot, you can. Now, so that is for today. Now, if you have any doubt related to the chapter, you can ask me on WhatsApp group. Any query, any question, whatever you are not understanding or you are not getting, then you can ask me on WhatsApp group. So thank you for today. Okay.